Ready to unlock a world of financial data and make smarter investment decisions? Today, we're going to show you how to quickly create your own Yahoo Finance account, giving you access to real-time stock quotes, market news, and personalized portfolio tracking, all in under 2 minutes. First, open your web browser and type financier.com into the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the Yahoo Finance homepage. Now, look at the upper right-hand corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. This will bring you to the Yahoo login page. Since we're creating a new account, click on the Create an Account option, usually located below the Sign In fields. You'll now see the Yahoo account creation form. Fill in all the required fields, including your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure you choose a strong password that you can remember. Next, enter your phone number and date of birth. Yahoo uses this information for account recovery and security purposes. Don't worry, your information is kept private. Once you've filled in all the details, carefully review the information you enter, then click on the Continue button. Yahoo will send a verification code to the phone number you provided. Check your phone for the code. Enter the verification code you received in the provided field and click Verify. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Yahoo Finance account. You can now start exploring the platform, create personalized watch lists, track your investments, and stay up to date with the latest financial news. Happy investing!